Hello everyone. Today, we'll walk you through the installation of Dazuma's special shaped waterproof LED pillar light. The package includes one screw accessory pack, screws and screw anchors, one instruction manual, one special shaped waterproof LED pillar light, Step 1. Remove the 4 base mounting screws from the bottom of the fixture and keep them in a safe place. Step 2. Remove the fixture base. Step 3. Position the fixture base at the desired installation location. Mark the mounting holes, then drill the holes. Step 4. Insert the 4 screw anchors from the screw accessory pack into the drilled holes. Step 5. Position the fixture base, then secure it with the 4 screws from the screw accessory pack. Step 6. Connect the push-in wire connectors you provide to your neutral, hot, and ground wires. Step 7. Connect the fixture wires to your supply wires. Connect the fixture's blue wire to your white neutral wire, the brown-red wire to your black hot wire, and the yellow wire to your copper-colored ground wire. Warning: before making any electrical connections, strictly ensure that power to the area is completely turned off. Step 8. Position the fixture onto the base, making sure the mounting holes are properly aligned. Step 9. Reinstall the 4 base mounting screws removed in Step 1. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.